Hey guys, welcome back to the KP Bassin. Today I'm going to talk about what baits you need to be throwing if it's windy or not windy, slash low wind or high wind. Alright, well let's get into it. The first baits that I've set up, these first baits I've set up is mainly just baits for low wind. The baits you need to be throwing for low wind is jigs, of course. You need throw some jigs or some like this, some wacky rig worms, some crawls, or even lizards, whatever you want to use. Also, what does good on low wind will be topwaters. This is a topwater spook, and this is a topwater frog. On low winds, that's what you need to be throwing. These are the main things you need to be throwing for low wind. For high wind over here, I got set up is a crankbait. Nice crankbait right there. You need to be throwing that. Definitely something that rattles, so that would be a rattle trap. And then the other ones are gonna be spinnerbait, chatterbait. These are just the main things you need to be fishing with when there's low wind or high wind. And remember, when it's low wind, you want to fish something that's subtle and slow. And when it's really windy, you want to throw something that is more of a reaction bite. So, thank y'all for watching, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And see you next time.